Leather motorcycle jacket for men. Moto Riding Cafe Racer Vintage Brando Biker Jacket C Armored, XL. 100% genuine leather bike coat for males with a lifetime warranty. HWK Cyclist Coat Males provides full roadway security with 1.1 mm 1.2 mm thick premium natural leather jacket. Males. Thermal lining, removable, and micro mesh lining attached. Guys, leather coat is optimal for all kinds of climate condition. See approved armors, removable, on the men's motorbike jackets back, elbows, and shoulders. 100% original YKK zippers and rust-free buttons will allow this black leather coat offer for you a lifetime. Maximum quality at a minimum price. This a bargain. We wager that you will certainly not locate a male's motorbike natural leather coat at this price in the protective equipment market. Body chest measurements size UID, inches, S38, M40, 42 lira, XL44, 2XL46, 3XL48, 4XL50, 5XL52. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.